our bakery display showcase. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 47 inches. With wheels, we have 48 3/4 inches tall. Bottom face will be 22.5 inches with wheels. Coming to the front will be the showcase, along with 2 shelves that can be adjusted to the height of your preference. Coming to the back, we have dual slide doors. And measurements for each shelf will include 13 inches deep for the top shelf and 15.5 inches deep for the second shelf. The length for the top and bottom shelf will include 43.5 inches in length. 43.5 inches applies for the top and second shelf. Coming to the bottom of the bakery case is a surface for storage. And the measurements for that surface will include 45 inches in length by 16 inches in depth. Located on the top roof along with the second and bottom shelf will be LED strips. Coming to the bottom will be your power switches along with the temperature controller. 110, 120 voltage. And coming to the side will be the ETL certification along with the technical specifications for this bakery case. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.